Wall Street. You've probably heard of this place in movies, in the news, in maybe like school, but you've definitely heard of it. You trade a stock, like hypothetically, you trade a stock of some random company or material. Sometimes you win, often you don't win. They trade constantly. They win constantly. Well, 90% of the time. That's not luck, by the way. They don't get lucky. Let's actually explain the machine. Like, how do they always win? First, the boring truth. Most of this is legal. Mostly legal. Remember that? Your word is being mostly. Anyway, nobody's robbing a vault. It's built into the rules, right? There's nothing wrong happening in Wall Street. Well, a little bit. Structural advantages most other day traders don't. Advantage 1, speed. Well, what speed? Firms pay to sit physically closer to the exchange. So now, there's less cable and less distance. This happens by microseconds. Microseconds matter enormously here. High-frequency trading, and this is, it's kind of what it already sounds like. They see your order arriving just before it lands. So they buy first, sell it back to you instantly, really quick. A fraction of a cent. It's a tiny margin, but billions of times a day. Advantage 2, they see the order coming at all. Retail trades get routed through market makers first. Those firms pay brokers to see it early. A little to pay to win, but payment for order flow. And free isn't really that free, if you know what I'm talking about. Dark pools. What the hell are dark pools? Well, private venues, big trades off the public exchange. Huge, massive money trades. It's legal. It's just invisible to regular traders. That's why the market jumps so much. So, oops. The spread is also a key, important part. Buy price slightly higher, sell price. Same moment. They collect that gap constantly on huge volume. Small per trade, but it's brutal over a year. Algorithms. Code watching thousands of signals in milliseconds. No panic, no fatigue like humans, just code. You're playing chess while it's playing a spreadsheet. Don't know what that means, but Advantage 6, information arriving earlier, and this is legal as well. Expert calls, specialized research, data feeds. Really just a better subscription, I mean, they are getting paid to do this. Everyone technically has access, but not everyone can afford it. Relationships, another really important part. When a company sells shares, someone gets first access. Retail gets invited once the seats are mostly full. The sheer size as well. Pension funds, index funds, they're moving trillions, and not like most day traders. Size buys lower fees, better trends, and more attention. They don't just play the market, they shape it itself. Advantage 9, they help write some of the rules itself. So, firms spend heavily lobbying regulators and lawmakers, making sure no one is cheating. Regulators sometimes later work for the firms they oversaw. This revolving door. What's revolving door? Too big to fail. But 2008, huge banks made catastrophic bets, and they failed. Government stepped in with rescue packages. Regular investors rarely get that safety net at all. Human psychology. How does this come into this? Well, retail panic sells crashes, churning hype during booms. Big firms buy fear, sell euphoria on purpose. Calm is an advantage in trading itself. Options and gamma. What the heck are these? Well, enough of option bets, market makers just hedge them. That hedging quietly pushes the price further. Most traders never even see it happening. Also, short selling access. To bet against a stock, you borrow shares first. Big institutions get the best borrowing terms. Retail traders sometimes can't even borrow shares at all. Fees over decades, by the way. A small yearly fees compound over 30, 40 years. Paid either way, again. You take the risk, they collect the fee regardless. Now, moving the story as well, they do a little bit of news. Headline shifts, now thousands of people feel. How thousands of people feel at once. Moving feelings moves prices. So let's be fair, it's not just one big conspiracy. Dozens of smaller, mostly legal edges, same direction. The stack tilts the odds towards their favor. So should regular people just never invest it? No, that's not what I'm trying to say here. I'm trying to say that index funds let you quietly own a slice of the stack, privately. Own the casino, don't try beat it. And this is time is your edge. Big funds need results this quarter. You don't. This is their living. Patience they can't fully use, but you have that patience. Regulators do fight back sometimes though, so remember that. Rules on dark pools, routing, disclosure keep shifting. Slow, imperfect, but it's still real. Let's zoom to the actual core mechanism of all of this. Every trade needs a buyer and a seller. Better speed, information, and patience tends to win. And that's the entire game, really. So let's stack every advantage, quickly, like a wee recap. Speed, order flow, dark pools, spread, algorithms. Information, relationships, size, rules, bailouts. Psychology, options, short access, fees, the stories. 15 edges, same direction. So nobody even has to cheat, really. They've got all this info and all the other stuff, so the system rewards whoever already has the edge. Structural advantage looks like winning. So actually, is any of this fixable? Some pieces, yes. Faster disclosures, fee limits. Some pieces much harder. Speed is harder to regulate away. Somewhat fair, but it's not perfectly level. So what should an ordinary investor take from this? Well, you won't outspeed a fiber optic cable, so don't try. But you can outpatience a fund needing quarterly results. A different real advantage that you can use to your advantage. So once more plainly, why do the big guys win? Not one trick, but 15 small legal compounding edges. Most individual trades were never a fair fight. At all. That doesn't mean don't play. It means know which game you're playing. Beating them at speed, it's nearly impossible. Owning a slice, it's available to anyone. And yeah, that's Wall Street and how they trade. A machine built from small edges. But not one dramatic secret, 15 quiet ones stacked on top of each other. And that's it, that's in the video. Make sure to subscribe.